Hi DIY friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute sign on a floating shelf from Dollar Tree. We're going to take some scrap paper and some of these Dollar Tree leaves. I already took out the three that I really liked, and I'm going to also use this scrap piece of frame I used from a different project earlier. I'm going to take my rotary cutter, cut out the paper in the size of this frame. Making the floating wall shelf made of Dollar Tree products is so easy, and I have a video you can watch now by clicking the link above the box, or you can go right into my description as well and check out all the other videos I have for you to view from my channel. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to put my three leaves that I chose from the packaging from Dollar Tree onto the white paper, and I'm going to attach it using hot glue. Dollar Tree is really stepping their game up this year, bringing more different leaves for fall that look so realistic and are so pretty. So I'm so happy that I found the package of leaves to use for this Dollar Tree decor today. Now I'm going to run my hot glue gun all around to put a bead of glue down so that I can attach the border to this paper. I really love this simple and easy home decor option just to bring a little fall into any room you choose. So I purchased some of these wooden sayings a while ago, and I'm just going to apply that right on the front in its natural state. It looks so good from the background of the leaf colors. It just looks perfect. Coloring it, I feel like would do it no justice. Applying some hot glue, allowing that to dry so that we can move on to the final step. Now, when I make DIY projects, I like to have the option of either putting it on the wall or putting it on top of a table. So I'm going to be taking this old backing of a picture frame, cutting it to size, and applying it to the back of my sign with some hot glue. That way, if whatever I do any kind of changes or move to another room, I have the option to do either a countertop, tabletop, whatever, or the wall. That's it for this DIY. I kept it simple and it came out perfect. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good one.